Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're gonna talk about the problems that would be solved using NumPy. NumPy is a powerful library for numerical computing in Python, and it is particularly useful for solving problems related to data manipulation, mathematical operations, and scientific computing. Here are some common problems that would be effectively solved using NumPy. The first one is data manipulation. NumPy provides efficient and convenient structures like arrays for storing and manipulating large datasets. It also allows for easy indexing, slicing, reshaping, and combining of arrays, which making it essential for data pre-processing tasks in fields like machine learning and data analysis. The second is numerical and mathematical operations. NumPy excels at performing element-wise operations on arrays. It includes a wide range of mathematical functions and supports operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, and trigonometric functions. This makes it suitable for a variety of scientific and mathematical computations. The third one is linear algebra. NumPy provides tools for performing linear algebra operations such as matrix multiplication, eigenvalue decomposition, solving linear equations, and computing determinants. This is crucial for applications in physics, engineering, statistics, and machine learning. The fourth is statistical analysis. NumPy offers functions for statistical analysis, including mean, median, standard deviation, variance, correlation, and many more. These functions are essential for understanding and summarizing data in statistical studies. The fifth one is random number generation. NumPy includes a robust random module that allows the generation of random numbers and random samples. This is useful in simulations, statistical modeling, and various applications that require randomness. The sixth one is signal processing. NumPy provides tools for signal processing, such as Fourier transformation, convention, and field type. These functionalities are valuable in areas like image processing, audio analysis, and communication systems. NumPy also performs optimization and curve fitting. It can be used for optimization problems and curve fitting. It provides tools for minimizing or maximizing functions, solving optimization problems, and fitting curves to data points. NumPy is very useful for machine learning. Machine learning libraries such as scikit-learn rely on NumPy for efficient data representation and manipulation. NumPy arrays are the standard input for many machine learning algorithms. NumPy is valuable for simulating and modeling complex systems. It allows scientists and researchers to implement mathematical models and simulate various scenarios. In summary, NumPy is a versatile library that addresses a wide range of numerical and scientific computing challenges, which making it a fundamental tool in fields such as data science, machine learning, physics, engineering, and many more. I hope you enjoyed this short video tutorials about the problems that can be solved using NumPy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Write comments below. Thanks for watching today.